Wind Force battle.
I got Scratch Attack and
Bone Shaker.
Jinx!
Jinx again! If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe.
So I was closing his eyes to see which cars he's going to get for the ultimate face-off.
I'm guessing it's Bone Shaker and Roger Dodger. Yes! I got it! But I already got the face.
Okay, so let's shake it up. Wait, let me close it and shake it up. Okay, close your eyes. Okay.
Let me guess. I got Bone Shaker and Roger Dodger. Oh, I got Jeep and Roger Dodger. Okay, gotta do it again.
Okay, mix them up. There you go.
I got Mega Rex and Bowser.
It's the ultimate battle to see who's going to win. This is Wind Forces battle. Who do you think's gonna win, Zab?
I think Mega Rex.
Mega Rex? It's between Mega Rex
So?
and Bowser
Because of the look.
because of the wind. So, which way do you think the wind is blowing? We have face off. Wow! Okay, so it's my turn to pick out to pick the box. See which one we're going to. I have to close my eyes. I got Scratch Attack and
Bone Shaker.
Jinx!
Jinx again. I jinxed you
This
again.
is what I got. Scratch Attack and Bone Shaker.
White.
So I was gonna white, and so I was gonna race them.
We're gonna race then do a battle. Set, go.
Okay.
Scotchy Six just moving. Monster goes like, on guard! Scallywag!
So Scratch Attack won.
No, Bone Shaker. What? No,
It was obvious Scratch Attack won.
no. He was like, on guard!
Oh yeah, you're right. Scratch Attack won.
Then he was like, I heard Scallywag!
Oh, because it was hot.
My color changes changed.
Why don't we show your friends what monster trucks you have? What's inside the box?
Okay. So first we have the Batman, which stands for Tumbler. Now we have Bone Shaker. We've seen it plenty of times right now. We have Mega Rex, Power Smasher. We have Tool School, like a school bus.
Can we see Two School a little closer? Do you like this car?
Yeah,
I mean,
because
this
it's
one
a school bus.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Now we got Tiger Shark, Power Smasher.
Can we see? Yeah, nice.
Now we got Bowser.
Nice.
Now we got the Piranha color changer. It changed from black to yellow.
Nice. I like color changers.
Now we got, I don't know the name of it, but because it's a color changer.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the car that changed colors from red to yellow. And this is the car, I don't know what the name is, but it changes from green to dark green. We got Dumpster, well, it goes in the dark.
Okay.
And we got Roger Dodger.
That's a cool one.
Yeah, I don't know what the original one is. So we gonna battle? Roger Dodgers versus Shotgun Shop. Go! Scratch. I rolled down.
Tongue twister. Let's see who is going to win this wind battle between Roger Dodger and Scratch Attack.
Roger Dodger's trying to knock him out with his tire.
Maybe he's readjusting a little.
Yeah.
Who do you think's gonna win?
Roger Dodger.
Is that your favorite in this group?
Yeah.
3 hours later.
We should scratch his head.
You got some movement.
Should we readjust it?
Yeah, go ahead.
3 hours later.
Roger Dodger won the battle too.
All right.
If you like this video,